Man, this is quite the long journey to get back to our house.
I know, right? We're teenagers, for God's sakes. We shouldn't be putting our lives on the line.
I know this is tough, but this is how life is outside of Springfield. It's our obligation to save the town from being attacked at night.
Holy shit. Is it me? Or did it just got extremely cold all of a sudden?
Oh my fucking god, it's so damn cold.
We all need to evacuate the forest immediately, or else we're all going to freeze to death.
Okay, did any of you guys brought the key to the house?
I did.
Well, what are you waiting for?